Let's go push him.
Push him. Fuck. You guys do it. Push him.
You almost saw that.
Get the fuck out of here.
Project Idiot.
I wanna.
Hey, that's a nice lean.
Okay.
Nobody
Push him. If I fucking fall down the stairs, I'm kicking each and every one of your asses. I'm gonna fucking drop kick you with my fucking zip tie.
Damn it! Yeah.
Push him.
Girls, push up. Fuck.
Just keep him recording. Nope.
Oh, well, you're wild. You're wild.
Whoa! You're way too wild, man.
Hey, pitch it for the best. You gotta do a backflip.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Backflip.
Don't try it. One.
But if you do it, we're not responsible.
Yeah, if you fall, we're not responsible.
You're gonna fail.
Are you done with the zip tie? Cause yeah.
It's zip tight because you stole it from the TD.
He doesn't fall. He doesn't. Oh my god.
You're not gonna land it.
God, dude. Then I gotta land.
Don't.
What if I covered it with like?
I'm scared. Don't do it. I'm scared.
Try to catch him.
Yeah, if I fall back, you guys need to catch it.
Alright, I'll try to catch it. Alright, guys.
Ready for go?
You don't have to do it. You're do it.
Come on, do it. This thing's taking too long.
You're making like a fucking hour video here. It's like a movie.
You fucking asshole. It's gonna take longer now.
Do it.
Dude, shut up, Portia. Go it.
Oh my god.
It's scary, yeah.
So you done with? Are you done? Oh, yes. For like 2-3 minutes.
Oh, look at now, I'm bleeding.
You should have did a backflip. What? Let me do a backflip. Push it. Grab your feet in the air.
Alright,
Grab your feet in the air.
that's it. I'm gonna stop.
My feet in the air, you see how my legs split. No homo.
I'm gonna stop recording.
No, backflip on flat ground.
No, so the zip tie breaks.
But what if the zip tie breaks like 30 minutes later?
Wait until the bell rings.
Devontae.
Go do it off the table.
I can't see him no more. He blended in with the dark. I swear, I'm not lying.
Let's go over there. You record when I threw that boy in?
Yeah. Ah, I'm done.
No, bitch. No, hold on. Why'd you stop?
I didn't stop. It's still recording, but I can't press pause, dumbass.
Oh. You can press pause?
No, I can't. This thing was made too stupid.
Oh man, if there was a pause button, he would have teleported.
Okay.
I could teleport from here.
If you're not gonna do it, I'm gonna stop recording.
I do it when
On his head. Come on. You gotta think. Yeah.
Great idea.
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording. It's like 5 minutes already.
It is.
Oh, it is.
What the hell?
Facebook or what? Does it look like I am?
It is.
I've done it with all the rest. You done?
Try to take off his shoe.
Hey, keep walking like that.
Alright, it's gonna be a part of our skate video.
Yeah, but you just have to get the good part. Just go into editing. And
No shit, I'm gonna edit.
Try to walk.
You guys are gonna make a skate video?
Yes, I'm bringing the skate. Damn it, Richard, you got in the way with your small ass. Oh, I broke it.